Here is something I picked up from tool.woot.com. It's a rotary tool kit. And here we go. When rotary tool kit with flex shaft. It was 15 bucks. Reason I picked this up wasn't because I needed a rotary tool, as if you saw in my video, one of my videos, that I had repaired the Big Lot Special Nikota rotary tool, and but when I saw this, I had to pick it up because it's in a smaller case. But it is the exact same, well, okay, not quite. Looking at it from the side, it is the exact same thing as that Nikota. But it does weigh quite a bit more. The speed dial's on the side instead of on a little handle here. It does weigh more. It's got a nicer locking button on it, a little bit nicer collet. Overall, it looks like they took a little bit more time to make this a little bit less cheap. And there's oil dripping out of the side of the box. The flex shaft is pretty much identical. Yeah, just kind of pull the shaft out of here, fasten it onto here, take off the collar, which feels a little bit cheaper than on the Nikota, screw that onto there, and there you got your flex shaft. But this flex shaft is a bit more flexy than the Nikota one was. I mean, you couldn't do that with that one. I mean, you probably shouldn't do that, but anyway, we've got little bits of plastic flaking out of the case. Overall, I didn't buy this to use it. I bought it in case the other one just decides to crap out again. But probably a good idea would be to test it to see if it works. One thing about the Nikota that this one did not come with was it had a little clamp on stand thing that you could hang it from to use the flex shaft with. But as far as the kit goes, we've got this little clear plastic thing that doesn't close properly, and inside are your standard, it doesn't even come in an organizer, just some sandpapers, little sanding drums, some grinding tools, little screw thing for the buffing wheels, a wrench. Oh, there's a couple diamond tip things. Oh, that's nice. The Nikota didn't come with this. It's a round Allen key. And what that's for is when you're using the flex shaft, it doesn't have a button to push in to lock it. You got to put that in there to lock it. That did not come with the other one. This one actually comes with another collet. What else is in here? Mandrel tool, a couple drill bits, bunch of sanding discs, another drill bit. Drill bits on rotary tools are practically useless because they spin at such a high RPM. You're pretty much just using especially if you're working with wood, you're pretty much just better off using a nail and burning a hole in the thing. Okay, so we got it plugged in. Speed is turned down all the way. And that's something that's nice to note right off the bat there. It's actually running when it's turned down all the way. And running smoothly when it's turned down all the way. Then maybe. Anyway, the Nikota, whenever it's turned down all the way, would be off, pretty much. This one actually turns down. Let's raise the speed here. I'm guessing this just uses a chintzy little PWM controller like the other one did. Like all of these probably do. Smell that Chinese electronics. Oh, did it? Oh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's another thing that's neat. You turn it up, turn it all the way down, and it doesn't... It slowly comes back down to speed. It doesn't... Now, how much that is just the motor freewheeling, I don't know. Because if I turn it up all the way, here, let's start it up. Yeah, it stops a lot faster. But anyway, when I said, oh crap, did I break something? It actually, when you go up to max, actually locks in like that, which is neat. So anyway, there we go. When Rotary Tool Kit. It's it's not a rotary tool. It's a rotary tool kit. This thing here is the kit. Anyway, but yeah, it's a basic, cheap Chinese rotary tool. But I thought it was kind of funny that it was practically exact in design. Like looking at it from the side like this, is practically exactly the same design as that Nikota that I've had for over 10 years. So anyway, there we go. When Rotary Tool. Thanks for watching.